Do you wake up feeling exhausted, even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you rely on coffee just to make it through the day? If you're constantly tired, you're not alone. But what if I told you the real reason behind your fatigue might have nothing to do with sleep at all? In this video, we're diving deep into the hidden causes of chronic fatigue and giving you proven natural solutions to finally reclaim your energy. Most people think fatigue is just the result of not getting enough sleep. And while that's true in some cases, the reality is far more complex. You might be getting enough hours, but what about sleep quality? Are you getting enough REM sleep and deep sleep, when your brain detoxifies and your body repairs itself? Sleep disorders like sleep apnea, where breathing stops multiple times at night, can make you feel completely unrested. And most people don't even know they have it. Even light pollution, late-night screen use, or irregular bedtime routines can disrupt your circadian rhythm, reducing the quality of rest. Let's talk about the biochemistry of tiredness. Your body depends on vitamins and minerals to produce energy at the cellular level. When even one of them is low, fatigue kicks in hard. Vitamin B12, vital for red blood cell formation and neurological function. A deficiency can lead to weakness, memory issues, dizziness, and even depression. It's especially common in vegans, vegetarians, and people with gut absorption issues. Iron deficiency is one of the most common causes of tiredness, especially in women. Low iron means less oxygen is carried to your muscles and brain, making you feel sluggish. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, D supports immune function, mood regulation, and energy. Low levels are linked with fatigue, body aches, and even poor sleep. Magnesium. This underrated mineral is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions. It helps with muscle relaxation, energy production, and sleep. Low magnesium, think muscle cramps, low stamina, and poor stress handling. Get your nutrient levels tested. A simple blood test can reveal a lot. If your diet is high in refined carbs and sugar, you're on a constant energy roller coaster. Blood sugar spikes lead to insulin surges and crashes that leave you groggy, hungry, and irritable. This pattern exhausts your adrenal glands and messes with cortisol, your stress hormone. Try this. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to stabilize your blood sugar. Your cells contain mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. If they're underfunctioning, you feel it. Toxins, oxidative stress, poor diet, and chronic infections can reduce mitochondrial function. It's like your cells are trying to make energy, but the factory is broken. Supporting mitochondrial health through nutrients like CoQ10, alpha-lipoic acid, and NAD plus precursors can help rebuild your inner energy production line. Thyroid hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, slows your metabolism. Symptoms: fatigue, cold hands, weight gain, dry skin. Cortisol. Chronic stress leads to cortisol dysregulation. You might feel wired at night and exhausted in the morning, a classic adrenal imbalance. Sex hormones, low testosterone or estrogen fluctuations, especially in perimenopause, can also zap your energy. It's not just physical. Emotional overload, unresolved trauma, and constant stress take a huge toll on energy levels. Your nervous system stays stuck in a fight-or-flight state, burning through nutrients and stressing your organs. Daily mindfulness, breathwork, journaling, or therapy can help regulate your emotional load. Here's your action plan. Fix your sleep. Go to bed at the same time daily. Limit screens 1 hour before bed. Use blackout curtains. Consider magnesium or herbal teas like chamomile. Check nutrient levels, especially B12, iron, vitamin D, and magnesium. Balance blood sugar. Eat protein-rich breakfasts. Avoid sugary snacks. Move daily. Even 20 minutes of walking improves circulation and energy. Support mitochondria. Eat leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats. Consider supplements under guidance. Manage stress. Practice breathwork, cold showers, or meditation daily. Get medical help if needed. Rule out anemia, thyroid issues, or sleep disorders. Testing your hormone levels with a functional medicine practitioner can offer insights mainstream doctors might miss. Feeling tired all the time is not normal, and it's not something you have to live with. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling with fatigue. Energy is life, and you deserve to feel alive every single day. Thanks for watching.